If you have a young son or a young daughter, 6 to 12 years old, this is an object for you. Do you never have a place where he or she can study, write, draw? Today we show you this incredible solution. Not take you many space in your home, but also give to your child the place to study, write or draw. Available in various colors, it's height adjustable with LED lamp, a book stand and a shelf, and an ergonomic chair. So they spend much time to study, write and read, and also play. Now let's unpack and assemble together. HomeCom, child, desk and chair. Now see together what is in this box. The stand, manual of instruction, basement, and all pieces for the desk. The LED lamp, tools, and this is the desk. Now read together the instruction and let's mount all together. These are all the elements to mount our desk and chair. My daughter is 11, so I mount this chair and desk to the maximum height. Start with the desk. Take a look to the instruction to find the correct screw. Easy, man. The first step is done. Now the chair. And also the chair is ready. And this is the difference before and after. Hi Matilda!
Hi Papi!
What do you think about your new desk?
It's a solid, it's useful and beautiful.
Well, we say hello to our friends?
Bye, see you in another video.
Yes, another video. See you. Bye. Bye bye.